Current electricity. Domestic electrical connections. The electricity in our homes is brought through the main conducting cable, either from the electric pole or from underground cables. Usually there are three wires in the cable. One is called the live wire, which brings in the current. It has a red or brown insulation. The other wire is called neutral wire, through which the current returns. It is blue or black. The third wire is called the earth wire and is of yellow or green color. This is connected to a metal plate buried deep underground near the house and is for safety purposes. In India, the voltage difference between the live and neutral wires is about 220 volt. Both these wires are connected to the electric meter through a fuse. Through a main switch, they are connected to all the conducting wires inside the home so as to provide electricity to every room. In each separate circuit, various electrical appliances are connected between the live and neutral wires. The different appliances are connected in parallel and the potential difference across every appliance is the same. Fuse wire. It is made of a mixture of substances and has a specific melting point. It is connected in series to the electric appliances. If for some reason the current in the circuit increases excessively, the fuse wire gets heated up and melts. The circuit gets broken and the flow of current stops, thus protecting the appliance. This wire is fitted in a groove in a body of porcelain-like non-conducting material. Uses. Fuse wire is used to protect domestic appliances. For domestic use, fuse wires with upper limits of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10 amperes are used. Precautions to be taken while using electricity. First, electric switches and sockets should be fitted at a height at which small children cannot reach and put pins or nails inside. Plug wires should not be pulled while removing a plug from its socket. Second, before cleaning an electrical appliance, it should be switched off and its plug removed from the socket. Third, one's hands should be dry while handling an electrical appliance, and as far as possible, one should use footwear with rubber soles. As rubber is an insulator, it prevents the current from flowing through our body, thereby protecting it. Fourth, if a person gets an electric shock, you should not touch that person. You should switch off the main switch, and if the switch is too far or you do not know where it is located, then you should remove the plug from the socket if possible. If not, then you should use a wooden pole to push the person away from the electric wire. Let us solve an example for resistor in series. Three resistors having resistances of 15 ohm, 3 ohm and 4 ohm are connected in series. What is the effective resistance in the circuit? Given conditions are R1 is equal to 15 ohm, R2 is equal to 3 ohm and R3 is equal to 4 ohm. Therefore, the formula for effective resistance, that is Rs, is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to 15 plus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 22 ohms. Therefore, the effective resistance in the circuit is equal to 22 ohms. Let us solve an example for resistors in parallel. Resistors having resistances of 15 ohm, 20 ohm and 10 ohm are connected in parallel. What is the effective resistance in the circuit? Let us see the given part of the question. R1 is equal to 15 ohm, R2 is equal to 20 ohm and R3 is 10 ohm. The formula for effective resistance in parallel is 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Substituting the values for R1, R2 and R3, we get 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon 50 plus 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 10. LCM of the denominator 15, 20 and 10 is 60. We shall make the denominator same by multiplying 1 upon 15 with 4, 1 upon 20 with 3 and 1 upon 10 with 6. Therefore, we get 4 upon 60 plus 3 upon 60 plus 6 upon 60. Taking 60 as a common denominator, we get the value 4 plus 3 plus 6 upon 60, which is equal to 13 upon 60. After taking the reciprocal of 1 upon Rp is equal to 13 upon 60, we get Rp is equal to 60 upon 13, which is equal to 4.615 ohms. Therefore, effective resistance in the circuit is equal to 4.615 ohms, which is less than the least of the three, that is 10 ohms. Thank you.